Hey there! Welcome to this fun and engaging course in cybersecurity. In this video, I will walk you through the modules we'll cover in this course. You can download the PDF version of our curriculum agenda from the attachment provided. Ready? Let's get started. In our first module, we'll kick off by giving you the basics of information security is all about and why it's crucial. Plus, you will get to know the CII triad, which is confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Oh, and we'll make sure you know the legal stuff too, so no one's getting into trouble. Alright, let's talk cyberviolence, malware, phishing, and more. We'll dive into the scariest threats out there and how they exploit weaknesses or vulnerabilities. Plus, we'll walk through real-life security breaches, so we can learn from others' mistakes. Exciting, right? Policies. Sound boring, right? Not at all actually. In this module, we'll show you why having the right policies in place is key to staying secure. From incident response to digital recovery, you will learn how to keep your organization running smoothly, even in a crisis. Okay? Let's talk about locking down those networks. Firewalls, VPNs, and secure wireless networks are all part of the fun here. You will leave this module knowing how to keep your network airtight while still getting things done. Ready to feel like a secret agent? In this module, we are breaking down cryptography, how encryption works, why digital signatures are important, and how to keep everything locked up right. It's the coolest part of security. Okay? Then we'll discuss endpoint security. Laptops, phones, desktops. Let's secure those endpoints. We'll walk through the best antivirus solutions, mobile device security, and advanced EDR system to ensure your devices are always protected. Code securely or pay the price. We'll dive into the secure SDLC and teach you how to avoid common application vulnerabilities. Oh, and did we mention WAFs? They are like the bouncer for your web apps. Who gets in and who stays out? Let's explore how to manage identities and control access. From multi-factor authentication to role-based access control, you will become a pro at managing who can access what. After that, we'll also cover security awareness and training. Security is everyone's job, right? We'll teach you how to create a security-aware culture, train employees to recognize phishing, and make continuous learning fun and effective. Your team will thank you later. Okay, ready to explore the future? Cloud security, IoT, AI, and blockchain are all part of the cybersecurity revolution. Let's prepare for what's next and stay ahead of the curve. Okay? So that's a quick sneak peek of the modules. Each section is packed with cool insights and actionable steps. So let's dive in and make cybersecurity fun, engaging, and above all, secure.